Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset Rockspace Wi-Fi extender. So you can follow this guide to reset any Rockspace Wi-Fi extender model. Moreover, we will need to reset our Rockspace extender when it stops working, or if it shows no internet, or if you would just like to change its access ID, password, or you can't log in into its web interface to do so. Also, if you would like to learn how to log in into any extender web interface, then you can watch video given in the description. Now, in order to reset your Rockspace extender, first make sure it is plugged into a power source. Next, wait for at least 2 minutes until its power LED gets stable. Now use a pin, pen or paper clip and put it inside the reset hole of the extender for around 10 seconds while it is still plugged in into a power source. After 10 seconds, release the pin and let the device reboot. Now give it around 2 minutes to reboot, and then you can start its setup again from scratch. Watch video given in the description to learn how to set it up again. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.